YouTube? It's Creative Marcus. I'm back here with another video, and I want to show you something that's insane, yo. There's an app that you can download on both your Android and iOS device that could be making you money just by walking. So what I'm gonna need for you to do, I want you to watch this video to the very end, because if you don't watch the video to the very end, you're not gonna be able to get all the information that I'm gonna be teaching you in this video. So listen, the app that you're gonna want to install is called Sweatcoin. This app was created April 9th, 2017. So this app been out for a while. So you probably heard about this app before. But I'm gonna show you a little trick that could boost your income using this app. So you currently right now, you see, as you can see, I have $0.95 on my balance. So I have 95 cents currently. So what you gotta do is, all you have to do is walk. But if you're a type of person that, hey, I don't feel like walking right now, it's still fine. You can still make money with it. I'm gonna show you how. And when you add friends to the app, they actually get paid. So let me show you something. Both by watching ads on this app or add a friend. But what you need to do is your friend needs to be an active walker. So what you want to do, you want to click add or watch friends. So I'm gonna add a friend, right? You can add any friend that you want. Okay, so you can also add a friend, or you can watch daily bonus ads. So let's watch an ad. So you can say try your luck. So all you just gotta do, I guess you gotta press this play button right here, and it said try your luck. But guys, the best way to make money on this app is by walking. You could walk to the store. You could run around. So, for example, you're active. You're an active person. You like to walk around. You could just walk around, and the app is gonna pay you for each step that you make, which is what adds up pretty quickly. So, say for example, you walk, you're taking 1,000 steps a day. That's gonna add up pretty fast. So this is why I like this app. It's basically passive. You're basically being paid to exercise, which is pretty insane. So listen. So what you can do is, it says right here, it's a daily 20 times boost. For 20 minutes every day, you can double the amount of sweat coins from your steps. Let's go. So open 2 times boost. And it says start 2 times boost. See that? 0 steps. You see, this is a boost. Right now, currently, I'm in my house right now, but I'll show y'all, if y'all like the video and y'all subscribe, I'll do videos showing y'all how y'all can make money from the app. It's that same simple. You start walking around, right? You gotta press this. You start walking around. I'm not really walking. I'm just shaking my phone. You gotta walk around, and they'll pay you at least 5 cents for each step. 5 cents for each step will add up quickly, yo. Now listen, this video is not sponsored. I'm trying to give y'all some value on my channel. I'm trying to show you how you can do things to make your life easier. So, thank you guys for watching the video. My name is Creative Marcus, and I'm out. If you guys are new to my channel, like, comment, subscribe, share the video with your friends. It will help me out a lot on this YouTube journey.